Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video tutorial, I am going to explain how to recover or restore deleted bookmarks in Google Chrome browser. So let's start. First of all, open your Google Chrome browser. Once you open your Google Chrome browser, here you can see in this Google Chrome browser there are 3 bookmarks in the bookmark bar. Now let's delete these bookmarks. So right click on the bookmark and click on delete. Right click on the bookmark, click on delete. Similarly delete this YouTube bookmark. Now you can see I have deleted all my bookmarks. Now I want to recover or restore these bookmarks in Google Chrome. So to recover and restore these bookmarks in Google Chrome, close the browser. Now press Windows R. Once you press Windows R, it will open a run command. Now type the command app data. Once you type the command app data, click on OK. So this will open your app data folder. Now here you can see the local folder. So open the local folder. Now inside the local folder, search for Google folder. So this is the Google folder. Open it. So inside Google folder, here you can see the Chrome folder. So open the Chrome folder. Then go to the user data. Now in user data folder, search for default folder. So open the default folder. Once you open the default folder, search for bookmarks. Here you can see there are 2 files, bookmarks file and bookmarks.bak file. So bookmark files contain all our bookmarks and bookmarks.bak file is a backup file of our bookmarks. Now we have deleted all our bookmarks. Now to restore or recover deleted bookmarks in Google Chrome browser, first of all delete this bookmark file. Now rename bookmarks.bak file with just bookmarks file. So right click on it, rename it, remove .bak extension, press enter. If you want to save change it, click on yes. Now minimize this folder. Now again open your Google Chrome browser. Once you open your Google Chrome browser, here you can see I have recovered and restored deleted bookmarks in Google Chrome browser. So in this way we can recover and restore deleted bookmarks in Google Chrome browser. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.